Section 2, it is about the next topic, multiplication. Here, multiplying of any number with any digits, generally at least the minimum knowledge required for this one, tables. Multiplication tables. At least we have to know about 9 tables. Then we can go easily. Each and every time while multiplying, you should get either multiplying with 2-digit number, 1-digit number, or 3-digit number, or any type of numbers. There are so many methods are there. We can multiply the numbers by using units, tens and hundred. It is one method, and there is another method. 2 methods I will show you in this session. So let us go. Let us go here. There one example I am taking you. Multiply 42816 by 326. Multiply 42816 by 234. While we are multiplying here, that is we are using 3-digit number to this one. So generally there are in this session we have 2 principles we would like to follow by using like this, that is this 234. 4 is in units place, so that's why we can multiply 42816, and the next one is 2-digit number. It is not 3. We should take as 30 into 42816, and again here total this number. First time we are taking ones place, second time we are taking tens and ones, and third time 100 and tens and 1. Like this, 1 digit, 2 digits, 3 digits. Depend upon this, we can multiply as now 200 into 42816. So like this, writing step by step. Instead of this, we can do directly as keeping as directly, that is multiply ones digit. 4 6 are here in this one compulsory we require tables. 4 6 are 24. 4 carry 2, or else in rough column we can make carry number. Then 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 2 6. There is no carries. Again 4 8s are, yes, already you know 4 table. 4 8s are 32. So we should keep always ones place value. 2 carry 3. 4 2s are 8 plus 3 11. 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17. Like this, ones value if you multiply, all these numbers you are getting. Now for the second value, here already 1 0 is there. So we should keep either 0 or without 0 also. That is our wish. Either we should keep as a 0, then start with 3. 3 6 are 18. 18, 8, carry 1. 3 ones are 3 plus 1, 4. 3 8s are 24, 4, carry 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8, carry is over. Then again 3 4s are 12. While writing also, the numbers in column method properly write down in proper way, like this: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. Like this in space value should be, do not keep empty, do not overlap the right while writing. Now again 2 table. So now it is 100 value is there. So here how many zeros? 2 zeros. We can take 2 zeros. Then we can start. 2 6 are 12, carry 1. 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3. Then again 2 8s are 16, 6, carry 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5, carries over. 2 4s are 8. So it is there. Now add properly. 4 8s 14, carry 1. 3, 7, 9, 7 plus 1, 8, 14 plus 7, 21, carry 2, 5 plus 2, 7, 3, 10, 0, carry 1, 8 to 10. Like this you are getting. Then we can mention as, according to this, we can make as is 1,18,944 in Indian system, or we can give the values as in international system millions also there. So then again here we can make as 10,018,944. It is in international million system. Like this 3 digits, here it is 2 digits are there. Okay, so it is the way like this we have to multiply. Then the other method, that is called as cross method or lattice method. It is also called as box type. We should write down the numbers, how many digits are there. In this type, there is no limit. Either it is a multiplied number or multiplication, the resultant only is there. So here I am taking as the numbers, keeping as square type of box to understand. 4, 2, 8, 1, 6. These are the numbers I am keeping in the box such that is multiply with 2, 3, 4. The same sum I am showing you. Actually, if you are doing with small numbers, there is no confuse at all, even though you will get the same result. So that is whatever the numbers are there on the top box, and again left side these numbers. Then each box should be crossed together to understand. Each box. Yeah. Now taking as the result here in this box type, we should go from right to left. That means what? From here, starting with this one, left to right, not right to left. Generally in multiplication we are doing right to left, but again here left to right. For example, here 2 4s are 8. 8 means we always remember 2 digit number as 0 8. If you are keeping 0 0 8, then 2 2s are 0 4. Then 2 8s are 16, 1, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. Like this first box, very easily we can cover. In the second box, again 3 table. 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 6s are 18. In the last column, if it is there, we should fill this one also. That is 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 4 8s are 32, 4 1s are 0 4, 4 6s are 24. So like this we should fill the columns. Then again it is very important, that is always we should go like this. Cross table should be keep first. Like here you are getting as 4, and remaining this column add all the values. 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 4 14, carry 1. Again here 1. So this column 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4, plus 3 7, 2 9. Then again here 3 4 7, 3 10, 8 18. Then again here 1 plus 6 7, plus 2 9, plus 6 15, plus 6 21, 2 plus 1 3 plus 4 7, plus 2 9 plus 1 0 1, 8 plus 2 0 1. So like this you are getting. Either that answer also same. See 1 0 0 1 8 9 4 4. Either this method or this method. There are the two methods are there. Either box method or direct method. You can use. It's also called as column method. It is called as box method. If you practice, then you will get that one. Okay. The same type of numbers we can use by splitting the numbers. Splitting the numbers depend upon while taking as, for example, that is 345 into 52 given there. We should check for small number and bigger number. Why? Because while multiplying this number to this number, you will get same answer, or this number to this number, you will get that one. So smaller number should be split easily. That is 345 into, while splitting I am keeping in the brackets, that's as splitting in whole numbers. Which are the nearest whole number of 52? 50 plus 2. 50 plus 2. That means we have to multiply 345 into 50 plus 345 into 2. Then again here multiplying, wherever in the multiplication, if whole numbers are there, whole number means zeros are there. How many zeros are there? Either two multiplicants, that many zeros first we should keep. For example, here I am telling you that is 23 into 100. The answer directly 2300. Or 230 into 1000. That means here, this in this number, is it a whole number? Yes. Whenever one's place or tens, one place is 0, the number is called whole number. So here 10, 2, 3, 4. Again here 1 is there. So 23, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. For example, the same number I am giving you 230 into 2000. No need to confuse. Zeros are there. First count the zeros. 4 zeros. We can keep 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Now the number, that is here, zeros is over. These zeros portion is over. We counted. Now just multiply. 23 into 2, 46. Double the number. That is your answer. Now while multiplying with whole numbers, you will get as 0. Keep here 0. 5 5s are 25. That is 2 is there. In rough column, we should take carry. 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22. Already cut. Then again there. Again 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 17. Like this. Plus 345. 2s are 2 5s are 10. Carry 1. 2 4s are 8 plus 1. 9. 2 3s are 6. Like this. Then add. That is 0 0. So we are getting as 0. 9 plus 5. 14. 6 plus 1. 7 plus 2. 9. 1 7. Like this you are getting. It is also called as splitting the number. And again you will get same answer. Whole numbers also you will get same. So these are the multiplication. Now we will like to go further class further that is there about in arithmetic operations as already previously discussed, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and the division also there. For this division compulsory we required tables. That is generally in division the rule is there. Division rule. While division rule, what is the division rule? Do you have idea? In previous class we did division rule. In this division rule, generally that is called as dividend. Dividend equal to quotient. Quotient into divisor plus remainder. It is called as division rule. Dividend, whatever you are dividing the bigger number, dividend. For example, I am taking like this 3 divided by 31. So it is dividend. It is divisor. It is here 3 tens are 30 and it is remainder. So it is called as quotient. It is called as remainder. Already you know the principle. Here dividend equal to divisor into, while because here quotient into divisor or divisor into quotient, both are same, plus remainder. It is checking. While divisor or dividend or division sums, we should check the values as like this. Then you will get. For this one, while you are dividing with 1 digit or 2 digits or 3 digits or any number of digits, there are 2 methods are there. One is called long division method and another one is short method. So for instance, for example, I am showing you one sum. While dividing a number with 2 digit number, how to divide? How to divide 2 digit number 28, that is 68395, 68395 divided by 28. Why? Because generally 28 table you can't remember. So then what we have to do? Already you know that is in the multiplication or multiples or tables. How do you get table? For example, 5 table. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, so and so. Then how you are getting? Adding each multiplication. Then you are getting the result. Here also, while we are doing the table, that is 68395 divided by 28. So 28 table, how many times you are getting? Instead of this, in rough column, make a adding table. Then you will get easily. That is 28 into 1. 28. 28. Again add. That is, I am not using tables. This is second time I am using. So that you are getting as 56. It is the 2 table. For our convenience, I am using as 2 table. Again add 28. 8 plus 6, 14. Then again 5 plus 3, 8. 84. It is third table. Like this adding table. Adding table. Instead of multiplying each number of time, 2 times. Why? Because 28, that is 28 2s are 56, 28 3s are. Again, if you don't know, again rough column we have to multiply. Instead of this, adding. So here 84 is bigger number than this. No. So 28 2s are 56. And already you know, subtract 8 minus 6, 2, 6 minus 5, 1 and take carry 3. Now 123. So which table? 84. One more table, 28. Add it. 8 plus 4, 12. Yes, carry 1, 112. It is in fourth table you are getting. So that is here 4. 28 4s are 112. Again 3 minus 2, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. Carry 9. Again, why? Because 112 is nearest number. So again 4s are 112. 9 minus 2, 7. Why? Because there are the numbers are there. There is no value. That is here. Maybe then the left side going on last numbers. There is no value. So again we should take 5. 75. If you see there is 84. No. So 28. 2s are 56. So here 5 minus 6 is not possible. Carry 15 minus 6, 9. Then again here 7 cut 6, 6 minus 5, 1. So it is remainder. That is quotient is 2442. Remainder is 19. Like this division we can check it. So while checking the same number, whether it is right or wrong, so how will you check? The same type you will check as 2442 into 19 plus 2442 into 28 plus 19. We should multiply these two numbers as 2442, splitting the number 20 plus 8 plus 19. Then the answer always you will get as 68395. like this, it is called as check. Division and check. Yes, till now we discuss about addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These are all called as, that is the 4 operations. In this one only we did about numbers. The same type we can go for word problems also. In the next class, about these 4 we can discuss. You will get easily. So do the practice about number system of these 4 operations. Once again I am telling you, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, right, we will discuss in next class about these word problems. Thank you.